Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to install this spider fat rack, which is suitable for my e-bike, my King 750. It's a product from AEROE, and I have to say thank you to Patrick, the co-founder, that from day one since I sent the email, he was very responsive and accepted to send me this material for review and to upgrade my bike. It's something that I've been looking for, because usually I carry all my stuff on this bag, then I have to put it on my back, and on the end of my rides it's the only place where I'm sweating, it's on my back. So I looked out for solutions, and I think this is a really interesting solution. This thing, it's a support. It comes with a cradle, they call it a cradle, which is this one here, which goes together everything here. So in this cradle then you can put bags and everything. It already has the straps to fix everything, so it's a very simple system. In the beginning a little bit complicated to install, too many screws, but after you install it, it's super simple system. And once you install, you can have the cradles here on the side, either on this position or this position. It can come here on the top. Okay, again, two positions, and on the other side exactly the same thing on two positions. It consists of 4 parts, everything connected well, the materials good quality. We'll get there in a while. The first thing we have to install, it's the support itself. It was here 4 newtons maximum torque for the screws. So we do have screws, a lot of screws, 4 screws here and 2 screws here, and I need to unscrew the first ones. It's these ones here on the sides, where we do have these straps with a piece of cardboard just to simulate the frame. So we remove the strap, the cardboard falls down, and we do have 4. The other ones are already removed because I already did the Portuguese review, so I wasn't going to install everything, but we do have these 4 straps, 1 for each of the sides. And these 4 screws here, if you remove, then you can adjust the width of the support. I'm going to show you that in a while. First things first, you can decide if you want the support to stay like this side facing there, or if you want to support staying like this side facing down. Of course, as you saw in my bike, because I do have the fenders, this solution I cannot do, so I only have this option. So it's super easy. You just pick one of these, or actually pick 2 of them, place the support strap on one side and attach to the other, and tighten it just a little bit so it doesn't fall down. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do. Just tighten a little bit. Okay, it's not falling down. And do the same thing for the bottom one, and tighten a little bit so it stays in place. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, because you do have to go to the other side and do exactly the same thing. Now what I like to do is move a little bit back, take a look and see if both supports are aligned. Is everything straight? Yes, everything is straight. Now I can tighten everything better to make all secure in place. So around 4-6 screws on each side. So I can tighten these ones now. Now that we do have the support, we're going to pick up our cradle, this one here. I'm just going to loosen this screw here. I put here so I don't lose the materials. Again, it's a total of 4 screws. Everything here works with the same Allen key. It's a number 5 key. I have this one, it's here always in my bag. Every bicycle uses this the same dimensions key, so this is a good thing. You don't need extra keys. I do want it in the top, and I'm gonna leave it on this position here. Then again, I just put the supports in place, get the screws, 1 screw here, make everything stays in place. So once everything is in place, we're just gonna pick up one of these 2 bags. Like I said, 8 liters bag. from AEROE and the 12 liters. We're gonna use the 12 liters, so I'm gonna put the other one away. It depends how much stuff you have to carry. They are waterproof, so the dry bags, you just put your stuff inside and then twist the top and connect with these buckets here. Place it on your cradle. You do have the straps here already on the cradle, so remove, open, and as you can see, we already have on the bag itself the place where these straps pass. Close, connect to the other side, and adjust according to your needs. It's a very simple system, but it works. The thing here is that if you buy more cradles, you can have cradles here on the side, so you have 3 bags, 2 on the side, 1 on the top. Again, they do support or they do sell cradles for the handlebar, where you can take another. For instance, usually the configuration, the 8 liters usually goes here on the cradle on the handlebar because it is smaller. So there are lots of configurations you can do with this system, and this will be the system that I will be using on my e-bike. I think it's easy to install, and it will give me the protection that I need for my material, especially because of this dry bag. And one last thing I'm gonna mention from the bottom of my heart, say a big thank you to AEROE and Patrick, the co-founder, for supplying the material for review. If you do have electric bike and you're looking for a support system, a carry-up system here for the back of your bike, I think this is a really nice, solid, strong solution that gives you all the protection that you need. Having said this, guys, I will be enjoying this for my rides. I hope you continue to like my work. If you do like my work, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!